my Uncle Jim would say, nestled in his upstate New York Catskill Mountain cabin. Do you hear it? It's the beautiful sound of nothing. A deafening silence for those used to the city. My ears ring, I'm afraid. I feel helpless in the midst of nature. What can I do? To run away? Back to the asphalt jungle? Or maybe understand my place in the world? There is more music in silence than in 1,000 radios. He went on to say, turn off your mind and listen, and I think you'll like what you will continue to hear up here. And he was so right. My uncle recently passed away. I will miss him dearly, and I will never forget what he taught me and what I've learned to hear. The sound of nothing, the beauty in silence.